Search for www.sxcrani.org, then scroll down and select New Registration. Then click on the top right and select Already Registered. Here you have to give your username and ID and click the login button. Here you get 6 options which you have to complete. It is showing complete because I have completed it, but in yours it shows not completed, so you have to complete it. Then again click on the top right and select Update Aadhaar and BG. Then enter your Aadhaar number, blood group, number of brothers, sisters, physically challenged and convinced, and update the important information. Then click on the upload certificates. Here you get a list of certificates which you have to upload. Then click on the select button. Here you get an option to choose file. Then click on the documents and select the required certificates. Again click on the top right and select the course. Here you get the optional course to choose. Here I am choosing the entrepreneur. Then click on the submit button. After submission you will get a notification that wait until the college verifies your certificates.